Have you ever wondered what the world would be like if one day all the men just vanished? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but let's actually think about it. What would a world populated only by women look like? Right off the bat, we'd face a massive immediate crisis. Industries that are predominantly male-dominated would grind to a halt. Think about it. Construction, heavy manufacturing, trucking, and a huge portion of our electrical grid and infrastructure maintenance. Society would have to scramble, with women rapidly needing to train and step into these vital roles. It would be a chaotic, challenging transition, and keeping the lights on would be the #1 priority. Then comes the biggest question of all: the survival of our species. With no men, natural reproduction is off the table. Humanity would be on a countdown clock. Our best hope would lie in science. Labs around the world would be racing against time. We'd need to perfect technologies like cloning or using preserved genetic material to create offspring through advanced reproductive techniques. We already have the science to turn female bone marrow stem cells into sperm, but scaling that up to save an entire species? That's a monumental undertaking. The fate of humanity would rest squarely on the shoulders of our most brilliant scientists. Socially, things would change in fascinating ways. With a single gender, would concepts of gender roles and expectations just fade away? It's likely. Leadership, strength, and nurturing wouldn't be tied to being masculine or feminine anymore. They would just be human traits. We might see a shift in how we approach problems. Some studies suggest women tend to favor more collaborative, consensus-building approaches. Imagine global politics without posturing and aggression, replaced by negotiation and cooperation. Would we see fewer wars? It's a hopeful thought. The global economy would be completely reshaped. Industries focused on male consumers would disappear overnight. On the other hand, new markets and innovations would emerge, driven entirely by female needs and perspectives. Healthcare would likely see a massive shift, with a greater focus on areas of medical research that have historically been underfunded. The very definition of what is important in our society would be re-evaluated from the ground up. But it wouldn't all be a utopian dream. We'd still have human nature to deal with. Power struggles, disagreements, crime. These things wouldn't just vanish. People are people, after all. The new societies that form would have their own unique conflicts and challenges. Rebuilding a world from scratch, even with everyone working together, would be an incredibly difficult journey. So, a world of only women would be a world of immense challenges, but also incredible innovation and resilience. It would be a testament to humanity's ability to adapt and survive against all odds. It's a fascinating thought experiment that makes you appreciate the balance we have now. What do you think would be the biggest change? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more what-if scenarios.